Christmas, everyone. I hope you guys had a wonderful holiday. I know it was yesterday and I'm a day late, but bear with me, please. Today I will be sharing with you a soft and chewy Gingersnap cookie recipe. It tastes exactly like Christmas. These cookies look delightful in platters, especially when rolled in sugar, to provide sparkle. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. These are one of my favorite cookies, and let's get started. Let's get started by preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. First, I will be adding 3/4 cups salted butter that's room temperature. Along with the butter, add 1 cup of white granulated sugar. Then use an electric mixer or stand mixer to beat these ingredients together until they are creamy and well combined. Now it's time to add in 1 large room temperature egg. Next we will add the secret ingredient for this cookie, which is molasses, and we will be adding 1/4 cup. Alright, turn off on your mixer and let everything combine. Here you're gonna want to grab your spatula and scrape down your bowl, and then turn your mixer back on so everything can combine well together. Once your wet ingredients are combined well together, put your stand mixer to the side and grab a new bowl for all your dry ingredients. We will start off by placing 2½ cups of all-purpose flour into the bowl. Followed by 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Next, add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Then you're going to want to add 2 teaspoons of ginger as well. Now we will just mix all our dry ingredients together and grab the stand mixer. Pour the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and let the stand mixer combine. This dough came together so well, and what a beautiful color. Now just grab your spatula and scrape down the hook and bowl, collecting any little bits of flour, combining them into the dough. Get yourself a small bowl with some white sugar so you can roll your cookie balls around in it after. My cookie dough balls will be slightly smaller than golf ball size, and I will be rolling them into a nice circle. Now grab your bowl of sugar and place the cookie dough balls in and roll them around so they're entirely coated. Finally, we are going to put our cookie dough balls on the baking sheet and pop them into the oven. Now we will take these trays to our oven that is preheated at 350 degrees, and we will bake them for 10 to 12 minutes. Once these cookies have finished baking, leave them on the pan, allowing them to cool down and finish baking on the baking sheet since they will be slightly undercooked. Once your cookies have cooled off, grab some milk or hot chocolate and cozy up by a fire to keep warm, and enjoy your perfectly spiced cookies. These are what the finished cookies look like. They are so cute and they're so yummy. Oh my goodness. Mm. They just honestly melt in your mouth. I hope you guys enjoyed today's soft and easy ginger snap cookie recipe. If you guys try this recipe out, I'd love to know how it worked and if you guys thought it was really good. Please comment below whether you like soft or hard ginger snap cookies. Also, what's your favorite holiday dessert? I really hope you all get a chance to try out this recipe. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next cookie video.